Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan, stock number 6466. This ran from the 6/2016 to the current shape. It has a CZTA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CZTA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, left front door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 1 small scratch down the side, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, your front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory flex brake, leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,